Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix there are currently no power options available on Windows 10. So let's begin. So when we go here into our start menu and we go here and click the power icon, and we would not see this right here. We can see the sleep, shut down, and restart buttons. Instead, we are seeing there are currently no power options available as a notice right there. So to fix that is very simple. So you just need to follow my steps. So the first thing that we need to do is go here into our start menu and type registry editor. Registry editor, here it is. So you want to click on this one and you want to open it by clicking on yes when you are prompted with a choice. And from here we want to go back. Actually, we're gonna go back, and from here we're gonna open the local machine HK local machine. We're gonna expand this folder, and from here you want to go into software. And the next thing that after you expand the software folder is expand the Microsoft folder right here. And from here we want to expand Windows folder next. So we're gonna find the Windows folder right here. I'm gonna go all the way down, and here it is, Windows folder. And let's just drag it so we can see. And now from here we want to open the current version next. So let's find current version, and here it is. And the next thing that we need to do is, or find, is the policies. So let's go and find policies right here. So it's letter P, and here it is, it's the policies. So we're gonna expand this folder once again and expand. And from here we're gonna go for Explorer right here. So select the Explorer folder right here, and from here what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click here in the empty space, and from here you want to hover into new, and you want to click on the word 32-bit value, and after that we're gonna name this no close, just like that. You want to copy this name right here, so it's typed like this one, and after that we're gonna double click and make sure that you have the same value right here. Everything is the same right here in your case, and you want to click on OK. And after that, you're basically done. And now that you've done it, then you can now go to the command prompt. So to go to the command prompt, you need to go into your start menu again and type CMD. And you would have this command prompt right here, but you want to click here on run as administrator. So let's click it. And you want to click on yes when you are prompted with a choice. And from here, we want to type task kill, just like that. And then space /im and space explorer.exe and space /f. And after that you want to go and type again explorer.exe, and you don't want to panic when the screen is black right here, because we are just restarting the Explorer. And as you can see, it's back now because we have successfully launched our Explorer again. So let's close this now that we're done with this one, and now you can try and explore your power button right here, and you should have these buttons now. The problem should be fixed.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.